Hello everyone, Zerg Ground Zero here. So today I'm gonna teach you on how to properly macro or play a standard Zerg versus Protoss. So in this style, you're gonna have to be very good with scouting and to be a reactive Zerg. So that means that we will just make some defensive links. You can also make defensive roaches if you are not sure. But most of the time, we're gonna pump out drones as much as we can. So let's start. So this is the first one is, of course, you make a drone right away as the game starts. And this drone is gonna be rallied to the gas. So that's gonna be your gas. And then make a drone, cancel it. So you'll go up to 15 supply. And then we will make 15 OV. So that's 15 OV. And then at around 1:30, you're gonna pull a drone. Now this is an extra move. Okay. In the lower leagues, you don't really have to do this because the main reason for this one is I'm gonna show you. As you can see, this is rallied here and then goes here. Because in the higher leagues, um, most of the time the natural gets blocked by a bull. So what happens here is there if I see a probe coming here, that means I can no longer take my natural. So this drone, instead of going here, I will rally it here. So I will take my third as my natural. So that's the reason behind that. But in your league, I would recommend that you pull down a drone at around 200, 200 to 10. Okay. So that will be just in time to make a hatchery here. So as this drone goes down, your overlord will finish and then make one drone only. Okay, one drone only. So that's gonna be a 16 hatch. Okay, 16 hatch, and then the next drone will be rallied to the minerals. See, next drone will be rallied to your gas, and next drone will be your pool. So as you can see, as much as possible, we always should have 16 drones here. Right. So this one will be the gas, and this guy will become the pool. So we will not pull any drones to become the gas or to become the pool. So the drones that we are making will be those buildings. Again, make sure that you always have 16 here. This should always be saturated. And you might be wondering, why did I take this gas instead of this gas? Because this gas is more exposed to oracles. See, this is where the oracle usually comes here, here. Okay? So this is more exposed to the oracle. So if an oracle comes here, he can snipe here like one or two drones, and that is we don't want that to happen. Of course, losing drone is quite bad. Okay, and then the next three drones will be rallied to the gas. Okay, so these two are rallied to the gas. We make one more drone up to 19. Okay, so that's one more drone. That's still gonna be rallied to the gas. And then we make two more drones. We will go up to 21 supply. We don't make a 20 OV, 19 OV, or even 21 OV. We don't do that. And this is the most efficient opener that we can do, but still safe. So we go up to 21 drones. And then as soon as the pool finishes and the natural finishes, that should finish at around the same time. Well, the natural will finish a little bit faster or earlier than the pool. We make an OV in the main and a ling in the natural. And then we keep droning after that. Okay? So we make double queen, of course, double queen, OV in the main, ling in the natural. Okay. This ling should be rallied to your third. This is to push away the probe that might be blocking here or anything. Okay, and then we're still making drones behind that. Still making drones. There's gonna be two more larvas that's gonna pop out, and then two more drones. Auto supply. That's 27, and that's 28. 8. At the same time, we'll be pulling out gas. Okay, so look at the gas. We'll be pulling out at exactly 100. Okay, okay, now we are at 88. Okay, as soon as this drone brings back the gas, I will pull this drone down to the natural and then do it again on the next drone and the next one until you don't have any drones in this gas. So that will be exactly 100. After that, make a drone, two drones actually, make two drones and take the link speed. That's going down, this going down. Okay. I actually made a drone in between while I'm doing the drone transfer, pulling out the drones out of the gas, and then I'm making drones simultaneously. But if you cannot do that or you're having a hard time, just make sure to make drones right after you pull out the gas and then take the link speed. That will become exactly 100 gas. So you'll have zero gas. Okay, now the next step is we're still supply block. We're waiting for the OB, and that is okay. That's a purposely supply block because we don't have any larvas, as you can see. We don't have larvas. We don't have minerals. Okay, so as soon as the overload pops, you're gonna make a drone in the natural. That drone will be rallied to your third. That will be your third base, and then make another drone in the main. So now this drone is rallied to my third. The Lynx is also rallied to the third to push away a probe or anything that will block your third. And then I will make two more drones. I'm just waiting for the larvas. If you do this correctly, you'll have enough larva. Okay. Now I have the larva. I made two more drones and then queen in the natural. The queen should be queued up in the uh before the queen here finishes. Okay. There you go. So there's a queen here. The drone is on the way here. As soon as these queens pop out, double inject. Okay? You can do a tumor for first, but if you are playing macro and you want to pump out the maximum amount of workers, you have to do double inject. So there are several uh, advantages and disadvantages of going for double inject or inject here and then two more here. If you're having trouble you're having hard time defending the first two adepts, I will recommend that you put a tumor here so you'll have more space here. Okay, so double inject another queen here. Now we are exactly at 34. Then we take our third base. Make sure that do not pull away your links here until you make the third base. Because I've been mess up many times that suddenly I pull the links here and then a probe comes in and then my third got blocked. You should be safe right now if they're playing standard. Okay? Standard is you see a pylon, a cyber, a gateway here. And a nexus, of course. That is a standard. But I would still recommend that you can do this even if they don't have a natural because there's almost no units that should come at around this time. It's still 240 at the time. So they are maybe making units right now. So you're free to do whatever you like as of now. Even if they chrono boost a adept, that shouldn't be in time to be here already. Maybe he's in the middle of the map around that, but there's no way that he is already here. If you see a unit here, a zealot, stalker, or whatever, the only meaning for that is he is proxied. So maybe he has a gateway here in a cyber, or here somewhere here, because they arrive way too early. Okay. Now we're gonna take the third, and then an OV in the natural and the main, sorry, OV in the main, and then two drones in the natural. If you do this correctly, you will always have the exact larva that you need in every step. So over here, and then two drones here. You'll have two larvas here. That's gonna bring you up to 35. And then another OV in the main. You will have one larva here, which is exactly that you need. Okay. And then next, just make one drone to fill up the 36. You will be supply block a little. Okay. Now, this is where the time the inject, the first inject is done. Okay. So I want you to prioritize injecting before spending the larva. So as you can see, I already have the larva here. I already have 7 larva. I can spend those larva, but I am prioritizing inject. So inject here, and then inject here. Okay, so I injected, and then the next step I will do is I go to my natural and spend every larva that I have here into drones. That's exactly 3 larvas. That's gonna be drones. And then I go to my main. Okay, I go to my main, you'll have here 4 larvas. Okay, exactly 4 larvas. After the first inject, you'll have 3 larvas in the natural, 4 larvas in the main. Okay. So all the larvas in the natural becomes a drone, and then you have 4 larvas here, 4 larvas here. So 3 larvas will be drones rallied to your gas, and then 1 larva will be rallied back to this mineral. Okay. So you'll have here at some point 17, 16. But that's okay because one of those drones will be your spore later on. That's why you want those, one of the drone or one of the larva there will be rallied to your mineral. After that, you'll be exactly at 43. Okay, that's exactly 43. And then you make a queen here first, queen in the main, and then spore. So queen in the main, and then spore. Okay, so ideally we want spore in the main and spore in the natural. But I want the spore first in the main because I only have here 1 queen. So I want the spore here faster than the natural because in the natural I have 2 queens. After the queen in the main, spore in the main, queen in the main, spore in the main, I make 2 more drones because I have 2 larvas as you can see. I have 2 larvas, I'm gonna spend those, and then queen in the natural, and then spore again here. Okay, so queen here and then spore. Now, if you want to make it simpler, you can even make a double queen. Okay, double queen and then spore spore. That's okay. That's totally fine. But it's really good habit that you should be able to do this earlier as early as you can. So you will have that good habit. You have to build that good habit. Okay. I forgot to say that when the second queen pops out here, you put a 2 more. And then you'll be at 47 right now. Okay, at 47, of course, don't forget to inject. At 47, I will make 1 OV in the main, and then additional 5 links. That's gonna bring up you to 52 supply and 2 base saturation. That's exactly around 36. 36 drones. Okay, so this is also the time that I will send the first 2 links that I have that we made to check on the third or check or scout whatever we can because this is the time for the third base of Protoss is around 350 to 4 minutes. That's why I'm sending my links now. So this is already a habit of mine, a good habit of mine. So I don't look at the clock anymore or the timer. I just base on the tempo of the game. So after I make the queen spore here, I make 1 OV and send these links. That's it. Okay, so I go up to 52 after I make the 5 additional links. So you have 2 links scouting and your additional 5 sets of links. That's 10 links. Those are your defensive links. You can even make more if you want. It's really not that bad if you are in the lower league, but as higher league as you go, you're gonna be more precise. So I am cutting a lot of corners when I play. I don't exactly play like this. I even make less links to pop out more drones. But I would highly recommend that you make the extra 5 links. Okay, so after that, when this queen pops out, you make a tumor here. Okay, make a tumor here, and then If you are clear, you can make another tumor here using this one. You should have the energy. Okay, and then you will transfer around 10 drones, 10 or 11 drones, doesn't matter. Just make sure that you will transfer 10 drones from the natural to the third. This is only if it is a Stargate opener, if they have an oracle. If the warp gate is not delayed, then you do this. If it's not delayed or you don't see any air units, do not transfer your drones, because if it's an adept pressure, you don't want any drones here as much as possible. And then at 52, I make another OV, okay, and then do these things. So a tumor here. So make sure that when you are transferring drones, the queens are guiding the drone. So if ever an oracle flies in, the queens are protecting the drones. Okay. So the moment I go here, I inject and make a spore here. I'm not injecting, but you should inject. Okay, so around 4:30, you will be oversaturated here. That is the time that you will get your gases. When you get your gases, also get your Roach Warren and your fourth base. Okay, so I'm getting my fourth base and getting my gases, getting my Roach Warren. After that, you take your lair at around 4:30. So you see at around 4:50, I already have 50 drones. Roach Warren's here, and then just a little bit later, maybe around 5 minutes or 4:50, whatever, you take an Evo chamber here. That's gonna be for your upgrades. So an Evo chamber here. I just let my links come here. I'm still scouting, by the way. So I saturate my gases, of course. Oh, I forgot that if you transfer your drones, you don't have to do anything with your drone rally. Your main and natural will be rallied to your natural, and your third will be rallied to your third. So here, you take your gases always in every matchup. If you are going for macro, you always take your gases when you are oversaturated and not before. Because if you take this at around 16:6, your drones is at 16:16, and then you take your gases, that will make you 14:16, and that's a bad habit. So you don't want to be undersaturated in your bases. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm going up to 66 drones. I think I'm gonna make more. You don't have to stop at exactly 66, because 66 drones, that is the exact drone count to have a 3-base saturation with 6 gases. And then when you reach a 66 drones, your lair should be finishing up. And then it's pretty much it. You can do whatever you want right now. If you want to go for Lingbane, you take the +1 melee. If you want to go for Roach and Hydra, of course you take your Roach speed. And then if you want to go for Hydra, you take your Hydra then after. If you are planning to go for Hydra Lurker, but that's for a different video that has a different build order, a little bit different order. As soon as the lair finishes, you make a Hydra den and a infestation pit, and then take the gases here just before the fort finishes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just I would highly recommend that you practice this against an AI first. You should be able to hit the goals or the number of drones, unlike me, unless they're going for 2 base, and that's for another video, again another tutorial for the Protoss. And the OV placement is also good. Creep spread is also good. You might be wondering that another tip that I can give you is, let's go back a little here. So I have here I put a tumor here. So I don't want to put a tumor here, because what I want to do is I should have a creep in my fourth base. Okay, so my fourth base is gonna be this one. So I put a tumor here instead of here. Yep. So What else you can do? You can attack this rock if you want. That's also good. But yeah, that's pretty much it on how to properly macro. So general rule, make your OVs in the main always. Spend your larvas in the natural first. With the drones, you don't want making drones in the main as much as you can, because if you make a drone in the main, so that drone has to travel from the main to here. So that's lost mining time. Approximately a drone, if a drone is not mining, they are losing 1 mineral per second. So you don't want that, of course. You want to pump out maximum amount of drones as much as you can. So yeah, I will make this video free or public for everyone to see. But this is pretty much what the every pro player, Seral, Shin, Solar, Lambo, any pro player is doing. So I copied them exactly as much as I can. Okay, now you should be safe with this one, even if an Oracle comes, you have a Spore and Queen here, Spore and Queen here, especially in this one. This is the most vulnerable base, that's why I have 3 queens here. So yeah, I think just comment down below if you have any questions and I can answer them as fast as I can. And thank you guys for watching and good luck on the ladder.